real must for everyone interested in checking out what life is all about.
The way things work and why they won't, why some things fly and others don't. We can even learn to sing.
We all love to learn a new thing.
Learning is the thing to do. It's opening up to something new. Little steps along the way towards what will be one day.
In the sun or in the pool, all the world is one big tool. We can even learn to sing. We all love to learn a new thing.
Learn a new thing, love to learn a new thing.
Open up your eyes and ears to all that is around you.
There's so much input everywhere that simply will astound you.
Learn the secrets in the air. What makes the clouds go everywhere?
What makes it rain and makes it stop?
I just felt a drop.
Learning is a lot of fun, a wonder world for everyone interested in checking out what life is all about. The way things work and why they won't, why some can sing and others don't. We can even learn to sing.
We all love to learn a new thing.
Learn a new thing.
Yes, we all love to learn a new thing.
Learn a new thing.
And we all